Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Macbook. This prevents static surprises and lets you feel clips without resistance. Lay the laptop on a soft cloth so edges don't scratch. With thumbs at the hinge, gently pry the rear edge up to feel where the case clips meet the chassis. You're testing for clip give, not brute force. Once you find the first give, slide fingers toward a corner and lift slightly to begin releasing one clip at a time, keeping pressure even. You now focus on the middle clips and work outward because central clips often hold the most tension. This prevents sudden pop-offs. Insert a plastic pry between case and chassis and twist, gently. You'll feel incremental clicks as clips unhook. Once a section is free, hold that lifted area with one hand while you move the pry to the next clip so nothing snaps back. Make sure to breathe and proceed deliberately. If resistance spikes, back off and check for remaining. You finish by sliding the cover straight up and away from the hinge. This removes remaining magnetic alignment without stressing ports. Once free, inspect clip tabs and the case interior for broken plastic or retained screws so reassembly is clean. If the case won't release, don't force it. Reverse to the last clipped area and recheck for missed tabs or a tiny screw at the hinge. For stubborn plastic edges, gently warm the edge to about 40 to 45 degrees Celsius to soften the snaps and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.